Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be starting the CAT 2019 PYQ series from slot 1. In case you have not watched the CAT 2017 or CAT 2018 PYQ series, please go and check them out. I will share the link of the two playlists in the description of this video, so kindly go and watch them. So without wasting any more time, let's start the first question from slot 1 of CAT 2019. In a class, 60% of the students are girls and the rest are boys. That means 40% are boys. There are 30 girls, 30 more girls than boys. Okay, if 68% of the students, including 30 boys, pass an examination, the percentage of the girls who do not pass the examination is. Very simple question. Let's say we have 100x as the total number of students. Okay, this is the total number of students. Let us assume it. So 60% are girls. So how many girls will be there? Girls will be 60x. And how many will be boys, guys? 40x, right? Rest are boys, so 40x. So how many girls are more? 20x, right? How many girls are more? 20x is the difference. So this is 20x and this is given to us as 30. From here, x will come out to be 3 by 2. Now guys, again 100x is the total number of students. 68% of the students pass the examination. So pass and fail. Okay, pass and fail. 68%. So it will be 68x. This will come out to be 32x. Now out of this 68x students, some will be girls, some will be boys. How many boys are there? We are already told 30 boys. Okay, so uh, girls, how many girls will be there? So x, 68x is the number of total students or number of students who have passed the examination, right? 68% of the students pass the examination. This 68% will include girls who pass the examination and boys also who pass the examination, which is 30 given in the question. Now x is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 into 68, 2 into 34, so 34 into 3, 90, and 12 will give me 10, 102. This will come out to be 102 g plus 30. From here, number of girls who pass the examination is 72. That means 72 girls pass the examination. How many girls are there, guys? There are 60x girls. What is x? X is 3 by 2. So 60 into 3 by 2 will give me 30 into 3 is 90. So 90 girls are there, out of which, out of 90 girls, 72 girls passed the examination. So how many girls did not pass? 18 girls did not pass the examination. Now I need to find the percentage of the girls. So of the girls means total number of girls into 100. 1010 gets cancelled. 9 into 2, 9 into 1, 2 into 10 is 20. So 20% of the girls did not pass the examination. This was the type in the answer, so you should input your answer as 20. Okay, 20 is the correct answer. Easy question. Let's move on to the next question. 5.55 raised to the power of x is equal to 0.555 to the power of y, and both are equal to 1000. Okay, so we need to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So guys, our first reaction or thought process is to find the value of x and y, right? If we can find the value of x and y, we can definitely find 1 by x and 1 by y. Okay, now guys, 5.55 raised to the power of x is equal to 1000. If I take log to the base 10, okay, taking log on both sides, okay, base 10, okay, I am taking base 10. So what will I get? X into log 5.55. okay, when you take log to the base 10, you do not write, you need not write, you can write it, okay, I'll write, but you need not write it. Okay, so this will come out to be 3, right? 1000 is basically 10 cube, right? So x, from here x will come out to be 3 by log 10. This is a constant, okay, this value is constant, okay, this will give me some number, let's say k, 3 by k. From here what will be 1 by x, 1 by x will be k by 3. Also we have 0.555 raised to the power of y is equal to 1000. Okay, similarly if I take log on both sides, I will have y. Before taking log, okay, before taking log, can I write this as 5.55, okay, 5.55 divided by 10 to the power of y is equal to 10 cube. Okay, now I will take the log. Okay, so I will have y into log base 10 5.55 minus 1 using properties of logarithm, right? Log 10 is 1 and we have it is 10 in the denominator, right? This will come out to be 3. From here this becomes, this part is already we have considered as k, right? This is k, this part we have already considered as k, so k minus 1 equal to 3. From here y 1 by y, or y is equal to 3 by k minus 1, or 1 by y will come out as k minus 1 by 3, k minus 1 by 3, right? We have got 1 by x, we have got 1 by y, so we need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y, which will be k by 3 minus k minus 1 by 3, right? Simple. 3k minus k plus 1 minus k plus k will get cancelled, 1 by 3. Correct answer is 1 by 3, hence the correct option will be option B. Okay, easy question. Let's move on to the third question. So we have a rectangular coordinate axis. Okay, the number of paths from 1 comma 1 to 8 comma 10 via 4 comma 6, where each step from any point x comma y is either to x comma y plus 1 or to x plus 1 comma y. Okay guys, this question while reading it might seem to be a difficult question, but believe me guys, if you understand the concepts of permutations, or if you can understand the concepts, or if you know the concepts of fundamental principle of multiplication, this question is straightforward. Okay, so what are the conditions we are given? Okay, I will write the conditions. uh, from 1 comma 1, from 1 comma 1 we need to reach, okay, we need to reach we need to reach 8 comma 10, need to reach 8 comma 10 via 4 comma 6. That means while traveling from 1 comma 1 to 8 comma 10, we have to ensure that one of the points, which is 4 comma 6, must be traveled. Okay, you must travel through this point. This is the mandatory point that you must travel through. Okay, what is the second condition? Second condition is that from any point x comma y you can either move to x comma y plus 1 or x plus 1 comma y. That means you can movement is allowed only in horizontal or vertical direction. Movement is allowed only towards the right of x comma to only towards horizontally. Okay, is only allowed horizontally, only horizontally. Okay, that means from x comma y you can move to x plus 1 comma y horizontally. Okay, slash I will write towards right of x comma y, towards right. Okay, that means x comma y, if you are at a point x comma y, from here if you move towards the right, you will reach x plus 1 comma y, right? Or vertically, you can also move vertically. Okay, you can also move vertically upwards. Vertically upwards, that means if you are at x comma y, you can move towards x comma y plus 1. This movement is also possible. These are the two main conditions we are given. Okay, we need to find the different paths. Okay, different ways basically of traveling. Okay, so guys, we will use principle of fundamental principle of multiplication. Okay, so total number of ways is equal to number of ways from 1 comma 1 to 4 comma 6, okay, multiplied by number of ways from 4 comma 6 to 8 comma 10. Okay, this is the fundamental principle of multiplication. Okay, now guys, when you are at 1 comma 1, okay, let's say this point is 1 comma 1, so this will be 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1. Okay, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. So this point is 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6. So when you are moving reaching 4 comma 6, how many horizontal distances you must travel? Okay, you can only travel one unit at a time. Okay, it is given in the question, guys. It is not telling us x plus 2, x plus 3. It is telling, it has been mentioned that it is x from x to x plus 1. That means one unit at a time. That means how many horizontal distances I can travel? 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal distances. How many vertical distances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. In any way, you can move anyway. You have to travel. You must travel 5 vertical units upward and 3 horizontal distances. Okay, you can travel like this. Okay, you can travel first. You are moving from this point to this. Okay, then let's say you are traveling like this, then you are again traveling like this, then you are again traveling like this, then let's say you are traveling like this, again traveling like this, again traveling like this, and then finally this point. Okay, so how many horizontal? This is a horizontal one. The first move is a horizontal one. This is a horizontal, second is horizontal, third is one is the horizontal. So 3 horizontal you must travel. Okay, 3 horizontal distances you must travel. And similarly, how many vertical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertical distances upward you must travel. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, that means how many ways you can travel it, guys. Okay, there are total how many directions, or how many steps? Okay, steps. You are taking 3 horizontal steps, 5 vertical steps, so total 8 steps. Total 8 steps. But out of those 8 steps, you have 3 similar of one kind, so divided by 3 factorial, and 5 are similar of another kind. So basically you have to arrange, since I have 3 horizontal, so I can write this as h 5 vertical. Okay, so I have to arrange them. I have to arrange this. Okay, I have 8 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to arrange them. Okay, in these 8 places. So in how many ways I can do? I can do them in 8 factorial ways, but there are 3 are similar of one kind and 5 are similar of another kind. So divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. I hope you have understood this. Okay, now I will directly write the second part. I will directly write the second part. From 4 comma 6 to 8 comma 10, how many horizontal distances you must travel? 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. So 4. So 4. How many verticals you have to travel. So again 4, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So 4 factorial. And how many total ways? Total ways will be 8 factorial. Okay. So in exam, you need not write everything. Okay, since I am explaining it to you guys, so it might be taking a bit of time, but if you know the concept, you can solve this in under 1 minute. Okay. Now guys, I can write this as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial get cancelled. 3 factorial is 6 into 8 factorial. Again 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Again 4 factorial will be 1. 4 factorial will get cancelled, and 4 factorial is 24. So this 6 and this 6 gets cancelled. This and this get cancelled. 3. This and this get cancelled at 2. So this comes up to 56 into 7 into 10. So 235 plus 4 is 39. 3920. The correct answer is good. This is a type in the answer, so you must enter your answer as 3920. Okay, very good question. Let's move on to the next question. A club has 256 members, of whom 144 can play football. Okay, 144 can play football. Okay, 123 can play tennis, and 132, my bad, 132 can play cricket. Moreover, 58 members can play both football and tennis. 25 can play both cricket and tennis, while 63 can play both football and cricket. If every member can play at least one game, okay, then the number of members who play only tennis is okay. So this is a question from set theory. So I will solve this question. I will solve this question using Venn diagram. Okay, so in order to draw Venn diagram, I will need to draw 3 circles. Each circle will represent the 3 sports. Okay, all right. Now guys, let's say this is football, this is cricket, and this is tennis. Okay, how many total is, how many are there? Total is 256, and each of them play at least one sport. Okay, 144 can play football. Okay, so 144 plays football, 123 play tennis, 132 play cricket. 58 members can play both football and tennis. 25 can play both. Okay, let's say there are x number of members who play all the 3 sports. So the common region of football, cricket and tennis, I am denoting that as x. Okay, now we are told that 58 members play football and tennis. So football and tennis 58 members play. So this region will be 58 minus of x, right? 58 minus of x, right? Because football and tennis are both these 2 sports, football and tennis, are played by 58, right? We are not told only football and tennis, we are told that football and tennis. So this part is x, this part is also football and tennis, right? This part is also football and tennis. So this will be 58 minus x. 25 play cricket and tennis, so this one will be 25 minus x, right? Cricket and tennis is played by are played by 25. Okay, 63 play cricket and football. Okay, so this will be 63 minus of x, all right. So total is 144. If I add this 60 plus 50, if I give this 360, 60, 120, 121, 121 minus of x. So I have to 144 minus 121 minus x. So 21, 23 plus x. So this only football will be 23 plus x. So again x gets cancelled, 60, 70, 80, 85, 88, 88 minus x, so 132, 132 minus 88. So if I subtract 132 minus 90, 30 to 42, I have to I have subtracted more, so 42, 43, 44, 44 plus x, and 50, 60, 70, 78, 83, right? So 123 minus 83 will give me 40 plus x. Okay, only tennis. Now each plays at least one sport. That means no one plays, there are no students who do not play any of the three. Okay, at least one sport they will play. So total will be 250. If I add all these regions, so I'll have 144 plus minus x, this is 144 minus x plus x will get cancelled, 69 plus this, done these two regions are done, right? The football is done, cricket, these two, and then 40 plus x, 40 plus x is 256. From here what do I get? 60 plus 40 will give me 100, 100 plus 100 is 200, 244, 254, 253. So x is equal to 256 minus 253 will give me 3. X comes out to be, see, I need to find numbers, number of members who can play only tennis. Then the number of members who can play only tennis is, only tennis is this, right? Only tennis is 40 plus x. So if I put x equal to 3, I will get 43. Correct answer is 43, hence option B is the correct answer, guys. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, with a good question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. In a circle of radius 11 centimeter, okay, CD is a diameter and AB is a chord of length 20.5 centimeter. Okay, so let me first draw a circle. This is a circle. Okay, let's say this is the center. So in a circle of radius 11 centimeter, CD is the diameter, so diameter will be 22, diameter will be 22, right? Okay, so let's say this is C, this is D. Radius is 11, so diameter is 22. And AB is a chord. Okay, if AB and CD intersect at point E inside the circle, okay, and CE has length, then the difference between the BE and AE. Okay, so I will draw a random chord. Okay, okay, this is, let's say, AB. CE has length 7 centimeter, which is less than the radius. Radius is 11. Okay, so I can do one thing. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is E. Okay, this point is E, point of intersection, and I will interchange the letters. Okay, C is here, D is here, because CE has length 7 centimeters, right? If C would have been in this position, it was not possible because this is itself 11 centimeters, right? Let's say the center is O. CE has 7 centimeters. If CE is 7 or radius, this will be 4 centimeter, right? This is 4 centimeters. I need to find a difference of the lengths of BE and AE. Okay, I need to find a difference of the length of BE and AE. BE minus AE is what I need. Okay, the mod. Okay, this into this will give me this into this, but do can I? Okay, chord length is also given, right? The length of the chord is also given, guys. Okay, so BE, AB is the chord length, which is equal to BE plus AE, which will be how much? 20.5. Okay, now using the property of circle. Okay, so AE into AE into BE, AE into BE will give me DE, DE into C, DE into CE. So what is AE? I don't know. BE? I don't know. What is DE? DE is 15. What is CE? CE is 7. Okay. First equation. This is the, that's it. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. So AE plus BE whole square is equal to 20.5 whole square, squaring both sides in equation 1. This can be written as AE minus BE whole square plus 4 times of AE into BE is equal to 20.5 whole square, right? So let's say this is AE minus BE whole square is equal to 20.5 whole square. Okay, 20.5. In exam you will have the online like the screen calculator, so you can use that. I will be using a calculator. 20.5 into 20.5 will give me 420.25. so I have 420.25 minus 4 times of 4 into 15 into 7, right? 4 into 15, right? AE into BE is 15 into 7 and I have a 4 here, 420. So minus 420, which will come out to be 0.25, which will come out to be 0.25. So this comes out to be 0.25, right? Or you can say 5 by 100. Okay, you can 25 by 100. From here, AE minus BE, if I remove the square, it will be mod. Okay, so 5 by 10, 5 by 10, right? Or it will come out to be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 0.5 centimeters. Okay, I don't know whether A is longer or BE is longer. Okay, so the correct answer will be 0.5 centimeter, option C. Okay, option C is the correct answer. A very good question. Okay, definitely not an easy level, I would say easy to moderate. Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end for end of episode 1 from CAT 2019 slot 1. I will be uploading the remaining questions in my upcoming videos. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it to get the latest updates. Also, please do like the video and share this channel with all of your friends who are preparing for CAT, ZAT or any MBA related examinations. Okay, so please do like the video, share my YouTube channel, and also please do subscribe to it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.